Welcome to my skills test. Today we are diving into one of the most trusted tools in any workshop, the bench vise. Whether you are cutting, filing, or drilling, the bench vise gives you the grip you need. A bench vise is a mechanical device used to hold an object firmly in place. It is usually fixed to a workbench and helps in operations like sawing, filing, grinding, or drilling. It provides both stability and safety. Let's break down the parts. Base is the foundation of the vise, which is fixed to the workbench. Body frame supports all other components. Fixed jaw, stationary part of the vise. Movable jaw moves with the handle to grip the object. Jaw plates, textured surface for firm grip, replaceable. Lead screw rotates to open-close the movable jaw. Handle used to turn the lead screw. Let's take a look at the different types of bench vises you'll find in workshops. Each type is designed for a specific kind of job. Woodworking vise. It's used mainly in carpentry. It's mounted underneath the bench with wooden or plastic jaws. It's perfect for holding wooden pieces without damaging their surface. Metalworking vise. This is the most common type seen in mechanical workshops. It has steel jaws and a very strong frame to hold metal parts during cutting, filing, or welding. Pipe vise. Specially designed for round objects like pipes. It has curved jaws that grip pipes firmly without slipping, often used by plumbers or fitters. Swivel vise. This vise can rotate horizontally on its base. It's useful when you need to work at different angles without removing the workpiece. Ideal for complex operations or confined spaces. Now, let's learn how to properly use a bench vise. Step 1. Open the jaws by turning the handle counterclockwise. This creates space to place your workpiece. Step 2. Place the object between the jaws. Make sure it's centered and properly aligned for the task you plan to perform. Step 3. Tighten the handle by turning it clockwise. The movable jaw will press against the object and hold it firmly in place. Step 4. Check stability. Try wiggling the object slightly. If it moves, tighten a bit more. But don't over-tighten, especially for softer materials. Step 5. You are now ready to begin work. Whether it's filing, sawing, or drilling, your workpiece is secured safely. Safety tips. Always follow these safety rules. Don't over-tighten, it may damage both the vise and the workpiece. Keep your hands away from the jaws while tightening. Wear safety goggles when working with metal or wood. Do not hammer on the vise body. That's a complete overview of the bench vise. Like, share, and subscribe to My Skills Test for more hands-on tool training. Visit our website myskillstest.com for test preparation, quizzes, and video courses.